The sun is out, the car is running great, but today I'm gonna change these. So we've got a Ctsv big brake kit to install on this guy, so that's what we'll be doing today. I'm gonna head over to our buddy Jay's house and we'll throw those on. We're gonna do the brakes on another day. I don't have the rears, so I was gonna do an Evo swap on these, but god dang, those things are so expensive, so we'll maybe just do a factory upgrade, maybe just some nice pads. But yeah, for now we're gonna leave the rears alone, just do the fronts. And I was gonna do like a brake comparison, but these things are so torched that it literally won't even matter. Like, it wouldn't be fair. The pads are done, the rotors are done, so like, it's cooked. They're warped, they fade so fast, it's not even. Sorry guys, a video cut out at the end there, but yeah, we'll be doing the swap. Just gonna head over now. I gotta go pick up some banjo bolts for the calipers, but we'll get a cold start in and you'll kind of see what I mean from this cold start issue that I have, where it doesn't really like to fire up too well.
Waiting for battery.
So yeah, there it is.
Waiting for battery.
It goes, but it doesn't like to start right off the hop, so need to take a look into that, see if I can fix that. I don't know if it's in the tune. Probably have to do some compensation on DSM link, but yeah, we'll get driving. So this side bolted up looks insane, but look at how close this is, dude. Like, it's millimeters, man. Like, you can't get any closer to hitting than that. But it fits. Hey guys, so finished the brake swap. Wasn't too bad actually, and it looks wicked. Look at that, guys. Look at how sweet that looks. Oof, I love it. Again, like, I just can't believe these things fit. Look at how tight that is. It's so close. They feel really good. I just needed to do the bedding process, bed in the brakes a little bit. They're getting better and better. So at first they were a little, sloppy, but again, that's just because they needed to be worn in. So we did that, and yeah, it's awesome. See, like, oh, we did scrape over here actually. It's interesting that this side touched. Well, I guess that clearance what we need. We probably caught a rock, honestly. I bet you it grabbed a rock, because there's still tons of rocks out right now because of where I live, and I bet you that's what happened. Even just a little bit of dirt will do that with how close it is. So that's kind of shitty. We're like 2 minutes after the brake install. Oh no, it's coming off. Maybe I'll cover it up. They do look wicked, and they stop way better than the old ones, obviously. So now we got the tiny little brakes in the back and then the big ones in the front, but god damn, that looks good, guys. Ooh, looks sweet. So brakes way better, obviously. And basically all I did, so I had the Ctsv swap kit, so it came with the spacer that went behind the rotor. So you put the spacer on, put the rotor on, and then you had to grab two new bolts for the caliper bracket, or for the caliper itself, sorry, because the old ones didn't fit. So you need like M12 by 1.75, I believe, and like 30 millimeters long. So these ones have it too. Okay, so maybe it's gonna need some self-clearancing, because like I said, it's tight. One little speck of dirt and that thing's just gonna, yeah, that's gonna happen. But oh well, guys. And then I got, see if we can sneak the phone back here. The brake line, I can't even see it, but new stainless steel brake line. and I got AC Delco pads and the AC Delco spring retainer kit, or pad retainer kit, whatever, with the spring and the pins in it. And yeah, super easy to swap. This one took a little bit, just, you know, kind of figuring everything out, getting the bolts and trying to figure out how to route the brake line, because it's just a little bit short. But the other side was peanuts once I did the first side. So yeah, I wanted to do a video of it, but it literally just stopped raining, so we had a thunderstorm. It's still kind of en route, maybe, I don't know, but that's why I wasn't filming, because it was raining and I was doing it outside, so I was trying to do it quick. And then, like I said before, we're just gonna do a basic brake refresh on this, new pads, new rotors, and that's it. But anyways, that's it. Thanks, guys. I've got the brakes bedded in nicely now, and they've got a lot more bite to them. No more warped rotors. Feels wicked. That alone was worth it, I guess. But yeah, they got a lot more bite on them. Let's just test them out here. Get some speed. Oh yeah, like they just park you, man. It's awesome. Yeah, way better. So good. Tons more grip. Like it stops you really quick. Really front forward bias, obviously, because I've still got the single piston in the rear, but still factory brake booster as well. So maybe we'll do a 3G booster next year. I got a lot of plans for next year, so I'll kind of keep that under wraps until we get there. But yeah, maybe we'll do a 3G brake booster and some Evo rears, maybe, if I can get my hands on some cheaper-ish Evo rears, because they're running like $1,500 just for the calipers right now. So in my opinion, that's a little outrageous. But we'll see what it feels like with just some better brake pads in the back, maybe some more bite on the rear. But super happy with the brakes right now, guys. I definitely suggest doing it if you have a upgraded turbo, or you know, anything 300-400 pounds. I think, you know, especially if you're doing like autocross or something too, it'll just be way better. So yeah, that's the update for now, guys. Cheers. Well, it's a good thing I got the brakes done when I did, because it's snowing again. April 9th and it's snowing. Gotta love Canada. Gotta love Canada.